what are the 3 advice you would give to people, I mean foreigners or locals, who are looking to purchase a luxury real estate?
Okay, I think most definitely you need to do your own market research. Understand the development, know what you are buying, and of course, if all this is too much problem or hassle to you, always engage a competent agent like you.
Yeah.
Or,
okay.
A local expert.
Yeah.
That will cut down all the troubles and save you time. So to me, it's very important to get good help in this area because there are too many different types of properties in the market. Of course, I would say most importantly, after you have secured a unit, then do get a competent and trustworthy lawyer to carry out the transaction.
And can you also share us 5 tips in purchasing a luxury real estate property?
Okay, if you ask my personal view, I would probably say number 1 in the list will be security. I will want to find out more what tiers of security that the property can offer. See, because buying a property generally means you're staying in the property. You need to have peace of mind, to give yourself and your family members. So at the very least, it has to meet your expectation in terms of security. So second, perhaps I would say location. Like everybody does, you need to find out if it's near your kids' school, near to your workplace, or any public transportation nearby. So location ultimately still a very important factor to consider when you are getting a luxurious property. And of course, if possible, go for low density developments. Especially when you want more privacy.
Yeah. Because that would be really exclusive.
Correct. Added bonus, if you can even find green lawns or parks surrounding the development. Not easy though if you are looking for a property in city.
Yeah.
But not so hard if you get a good agent to introduce you.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Last, probably I have to say, also check on the developer, their track record, and have a look at their completed projects.
Past record,
Track record, These 5 tips I would think is my personal list.
Okay, I guess that's very important. It's a lot of information already that you have shared with us. Thank you so much, Ms. Jean. And look forward to collaborate further with you.
Okay, sure. Thanks, Chris, for this.
Thank you.
Thank you.